Thank you very much, Charlie, and welcome everybody. Today we're going to be talking about the Applied Biosystems MagMAX Core Nucleic Acid Purification Kit. So I'm very excited to present to you the newest product from Applied Biosystems Animal Health Sample Preparation Portfolio. And the MagMAX Core product is truly a unique concept. When we set out to develop this product, we were really looking at four things to offer labs. First, flexibility. Second, familiarity. Third, a reduction in waste. And then finally, an opportunity for labs to develop new testing applications. And so that's how we came up with the MagMAX Core concept, which at its base starts out at a core chemical formulation, highly universal and flexible in nature. And then what we've done is added application-specific modules that can be coupled with the core chemistry to create unique applications for labs to use today and in the future. So when we talk about the value that MagMAX Core Nucleic Acid Purification Kit brings to the market, we like to say that MagMAX Core has been designed for three purposes. One, to accelerate, two, to optimize, and three, to evolve. And when we talk about accelerate, the value that this product brings to our customers is less preparation time, faster nucleic acid extraction time, and a higher level of sensitivity. And what that means to you is higher volume, consistent quality RNA and DNA extracted material ready for your testing environment. So when we talk about optimizing, what we're really trying to do is improve efficiency for your lab. And one of the things we looked at is reducing overall waste. And by reducing the number of washes in the chemical formulation of MagMAX Core, we've done two things. One is we've eliminated the amount of reagents used for a particular workflow. And secondly, by eliminating wash steps, we've actually reduced the plastics used with your nucleic acid purification instrumentation. Secondly, we delivered products that are able to be shipped and stored at room temperature, thereby reducing unnecessary cost and space associated with refrigerators and freezers. And then lastly, we developed a truly universal solution that can be used in a wide range of applications and on a wide range of animal types. And finally, when we say that MagMAX Core is designed to evolve, what that means is that it can actually evolve with your testing needs. A core chemistry that's highly universal that can grow with your testing needs by adding additional nucleic acid purification modules means that MagMAX Core could truly be the very last sample preparation product your lab may ever need. So additionally, we spent significant time ensuring that MagMAX Core Nucleic Acid Purification Kit really delivered best-in-class performance. And after months and months of design and development, we were able to ensure that you, the customer, would be able to achieve high-quality extractions regardless of sample type. And in terms of the modules that are available for MagMAX Core, we currently have two different modules. First is our mastitis and pan-bacteria module, which can aid in the processing of bacteria, especially those critical in mastitis, as well as challenging matrices like mastitic milk. And then secondly, we've offered the mechanical lysis module, which aids in the processing of hard-to-lyse organisms such as MAP and bovine tuberculosis in feces, milk, as well as in environmental samples. And these are just the first two modules that we've developed. In the months and years to come, there'll be plenty more offerings for MagMAX Core. We also spent a good deal of time focusing on the format of the MagMAX Core kit. When we talk about format, we really looked at three unique areas. One were the components themselves. Secondly, the technology and science behind the formulation of the product. And finally, ergonomics and usability. So in terms of the components, we offer two different kit sizes, one 100 reaction kit and the other a 500 reaction kit. We've also ensured that no additional alcohols need to be used for this kit. So all washes are pre-mixed with alcohol. From a technology standpoint, we spent years optimizing the magnetic beads used in this kit to ensure that you will have superior bead performance. And in terms of the overall reagent formulation itself, it's a compatible formulation that's not only used in qPCR workflows, but it's also compatible in sequencing applications as well. And then finally, from an ergonomic standpoint, we've ensured that the formulation can be shipped and stored at room temperature, which adds convenience, time, and cost savings. And we've reduced the washes to only 2, which eliminates unnecessary reagents as well as plastics. And in terms of the sample types that are validated with this particular kit, at the time of development, we were able to optimize the MagMAX Core nucleic acid purification kit on more animal matrices than any other kit on the market, which means that your lab has extreme levels of flexibility, and regardless of what sample type comes into your doors, you can feel confident that MagMAX Core is going to be able to provide you the solution and performance that you need. In terms of instrument workflows, we've developed 4 optimized workflows to address all of those sample types listed before. We have a simple workflow, which is used for liquid sample matrices that require little processing steps. We have a digestion workflow, which is for sample matrices that require PK digestion. We have a complex workflow, which are for those matrices that require a clarification step. And then finally, we have a lysis incubation workflow for samples such as ear punches that come in a lysis solution. In terms of instrumentation, we ensured that the product can be used on all available Kingfisher nucleic acid purification instrumentation, including the Kingfisher Flex, the Kingfisher Duo Prime, the Kingfisher ML, and the MagMAX Express 96, thereby giving labs flexibility and ensuring that whatever instrument they have in their lab is going to be compatible with our MagMAX Core kits. And in order to minimize overall instrument runtime, we spent a good deal of time ensuring that we optimize the on-instrument scripts. So there's actually 2 available scripts on each one of the Kingfisher instrumentation. We have a heated script with a 27-minute runtime and a non-heated script that offers a 36-minute runtime. As I said, these are common scripts that can be used across all Kingfisher instruments and offering heated as well as non-heated options for labs. So in summary, MagMAX Core is going to enable your lab to accelerate by offering faster and fewer steps, optimize by delivering a universal sample prep with less waste, to evolve by delivering one trusted chemistry that can grow and expand with your testing needs, and to deliver high performance by offering consistent and high quality extracted nucleic acid. So I'll leave you today with ordering information for all of our core kits and modules. This includes the individual modules as well as combination kits and all ancillary and additional products that can help support the selected workflow of your choice. But thank you very much for your time. It was a pleasure speaking with you today. And if you have any questions or need more information, please don't hesitate to visit the Animal Health booth. I believe we have some time for additional Q&A, so I'll hand it back to you, Charlie.